Here with Hopscotch Globe and Vivid Roots.
Yeah.
We only go first class luxury. I mean, you might be thinking, are we taking a limo to the job? Flying in with a helicopter? No. We got this bad boy. Are you ready for this?
Yeah. Everybody loves to ride in the back of the truck, right?
I'm talking about the day.
Oh,
the volunteering.
I'm so excited about today. Are you joining us?
Load it up and roll it out.
Yeah.
Crew's ready to go.
Yeah. Let's go.
If something happens and anyone finds this camera and we didn't make it, family, we love you. No regrets.
You gotta say it in Spanish, because if somebody finds it, it's gonna be in Spanish.
Translate.
Si encuentran esta cámara, pues no sobrevivieron, pero pues disfrútense la cámara.
What she said.
Yeah.
Made it safe and sound. Hola. It's about a 40-minute ride up twisty, windy mountain road. Beautiful views. And we're here, ready to get started.
Playing, that is.
Dallas was just explaining that the money that we contributed, the money we paid to come on this trip, it's funding all the work that's being done right now to repair the schools and this health center. And all these people that are lining the streets right now are here to welcome us and show us their appreciation. And they've got these banners. And this is all for us. This is all to welcome us, to thank us for what we're doing here.
Very cool.
I want to go like this.
Can you say a few words?
But I didn't expect there to be all these people gathered here to show their appreciation and thank us and show their support. Because it's like, it's more eyeballs on us, and like it's a very powerful experience. It's overwhelming. Like I'm trying to suppress, you know?
I feel exactly the same.
Thank you guys so much. This really means a lot. And we're really gonna help the community here. Wow. We did this. And it's just the beginning.
Sorry, buddy. We're here with you, man. Everybody get it in there right now. Itchy try, right? Let's do this, guys.
Get over here. Thank you guys. All these sweaty.
Bunch of sweaty, crying people. This is the medical center, and the roof is falling apart. It's in such bad shape. The tile's coming apart. Water was pouring in when it rained. And people would be in here getting medical treatment, delivering babies, and water would just be pouring through the ceiling. Just not good conditions. So this was kind of a last minute add-on to the project. It was going to be just repairs to the school, but this was kind of an emergency situation, so they decided to shift some of the funds and some of our work, and we're going to be doing repairs here to give them a better place for them to do their medical procedures.
The kids in the classroom, they're so distracted right now.
This classroom, no roof, replacing the roof. Hola. Hola. Putting in a hand washing station here. This is what they have now.
The director of the school, the guy that greeted us in the very beginning, he has the keys for this. But these don't have running water. These are they're toilets, but there's no running water in the toilets. So now they will have running water in the toilets, and they're going to have a big water tank that I'm pretty sure will go above this. That will also help them save water for the dry season. So what happens is this area has been in a drought for over 4 years, which means, you know, their animals die. They're unfortunately, you know, people are dying and things like that. So when they have holding tanks and stuff, it'll help them hold water for when, you know, so they can have it later. So that would be part of it as well. Those are like the big main things. One of the things that I mentioned, like you said, you may not feel like you're working. You're definitely going to work hard, and we're doing everything we can. But a lot of things, as you see, they come because they're so happy. And you can see your impact goes so far beyond your hands. It comes mainly with your heart, and obviously with your ability to spend money to travel on this trip and spend money for the people, because they have obviously a lot of hands and a lot of things, they just don't have the resources. And so those are the kind of things that go beyond when we're here, you know. So it's really good to help, but that's why it's really good to play with the kids and just spread the love too, because they have a lot of hands, they just don't have a lot of resources and kind of the outside love that they need. So that's my biggest thing. Just keep spreading the love.
This is how we ride to almuerzo, aka lunch. Cool
Happy birthday, dear Dallas. Happy birthday to you. Cumpleaños feliz. Cumpleaños a Dallas. Cumpleaños feliz. Thank you. I gotta share this. Alright, we just finished lunch. We were treated to lunch with the mayor. It was amazing, delicious lunch. And now we're on our way back up to the village. There's teeter-totters, there's a slide, there's this roundabout thing, this is like monkey bars, and I remember playing on all this stuff as a kid. I really loved it, and those kids are so playful, so it'll be so much fun to see them grow.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Kristen.
Yay, Kristen! All right.
I'll see if I can Skype with her right now. We're testing it out. Looks well.
On your Instagram stories, they're so much fun. I just want more. I'm showing my parents and whoever else is around me, and everyone's getting really excited watching you guys, seeing how happy you are, and how you guys all click so fast.
Yes, yeah.
That's great. That's what traveling's all about.
We just got back up here from lunch. We're down by the medical center again, and this just proves how much people's help financially and the support. It just shows how much difference can be made. So just with what's been donated and what's been given, and our funds from taking this trip have paid for the materials for this roof. And I don't even know how long they've been needing the new roof. The only thing they were lacking was the funds to get the materials. In one day, they were able to put a new roof on this place and make that big of a difference. And now people can come, have babies delivered, get medical attention without rain falling through the roof and mold growing everywhere. It's just amazing what a little bit of help can do. That's a successful day one. Today was a good, long, hard day of work. Very worth it, very fulfilling. Thought the process would be a little slower. Things would take a little bit longer to happen and get done. But in one day, the roof was replaced on the medical facility. And it feels good. The old stuff's all cleaned up, it's ready to go. A new roof. So,
Tiring, but fulfilling day.
back to the hotel for a swim and a shower and dinner, and then back at it tomorrow.